Hello and welcome once again to my channel. Today I am here with my new video on mathematics for Olympiad 2022. So let's start. Question number 1. Addition. 48 plus 7 is equal to how much?
55.
Right. Question number 2. How many flowers are here?
8. 8 2s are 16.
Yes, the answer is 16. Good. Question number 3. 2 more than 47 is?
49.
Very good. Question number 4. Find the missing number. 15 plus dash is equal to 30.
15.
Good. Question number 5. Tell me the answer.
6 plus 4 is 10.
Good. Right answer. Question number 6.
9 plus 17 is 26.
Good. Question number 7.
70 plus 20 is 90.
Right answer. Very good. Question number 8. Sum of 37 plus 6 shown in abacus. Tell me the answer.
Answer B. 43.
Very good. Question number 9. Which is the greatest?
Number D. 10 plus 30 is 40.
Very good. Question number 10. 5 more than 72 is?
77.
Very good. Question number 11. Find the missing number. 15 plus dash is equal to 30 plus 15.
30.
Very good. Question number 12. Complete the pattern.
30.
Yes, right. Question number 13. Between number. Tell me the answer.
90.
Very good. Question number 14. Which one is the greatest? Can you tell me?
98.
Right. Very good. Question number 15. I bought 25 apples and 10 oranges. How many fruits I have?
25 plus 10 is equal to 35.
Very good. Question number 16. You have to buy 10 pens of rupees 5 each. How much I have to pay?
10 into 5, 50.
Yes, very good. Question number 17. I have 10 chocolates. Shobhik gave me 5 and Rajesh gave 4 more. How many chocolate I have now?
10 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 19.
Very good. Question number 18. Subtraction. 97 minus 6 is equal to how much?
91.
Very good. Question number 19. Subtraction. 76 minus 9 is equal to how much?
67.
Very good. Question number 20. Arrange in ascending order.
23, 39, 44, 65, 98. This D.
Yes, answer is D.
Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also press the bell icon. Thank you.